So today I went on like a mix match haul, like with my parents, and like it's not like a mix match as in Mix Max isn't a shop, but like, I got stuff from different shops. So one of the things I've got a few blocks. Okay, two of the things. I've got some new shoes. So can you see these? They're really nice. They're like size 6. And they've got a really nice pattern on the bottom. They were £14. Now, I know I'm not showing my face, but I'm not confident with it. So, when I get more comfortable, I will. So, they're really pretty. They've got little sequins on. So, I got them. Hang on, sorry, excuse me, cough. Let me just put them back. I need to try them on. I didn't show. I got some blocks. Let me put my camera back a bit. Easy neck. Okay, so I've got these like gladiator sandals. They look like this. Okay, now they're really pretty. They've got some gold bits and like an iron bit, and they've got like a plait around the side. Okay, I've turned it upside down. And like some blocks at the bottom and a zip at the back. By the way, the other ones didn't have the bottom. So I really like these and I'm really excited to wear these too. No, I've got 2. I know, wrong side, wrong feet, whatever. Okay, so I'll put them back. Okay, then I want to Sainsbury's. Yes, lol, Sainsbury's. And I got this curler, mini curler. It's really cute. It's by hang on, Ionic App Pro or Ionica hairstyling. It's got the peacock design, okay, and that's really pretty. I love that. Okay, it's the mini one. And also in that range, same thing. Straightener, mini straightener. Now you could get a hairdryer too, but I've got a really nice hairdryer that I like. And it's all mini stuff, and I'm not too keen on mini products, so. But these are £14.99. It's a bit more expensive than the oh, my Gladiator flats were £20. But hang on, sorry, it's not very interesting, but I think I've got it myself, so I'm quite invested. So next I got some pick and mix at Staples. Let's get them out. There are 2 out, there's different colours. There were orange ones, but my dad wanted the orange ones, and they came in little bags, so I had to separate them. Okay. Okay. They're really big, chunky matte drawing pin things. That's a purple one with the blade right there. And this is like the lime green one with the blade right there. Okay, so they're really pretty, I love them. And I also I closed my eyes and just went in every single one besides the pin. So they were £1.50 for a whole pot, really good. Okay, so they used to be like £3.99, so that was pretty good. Okay, right, so I'll begin and get out my paper clips. Yeah, I'll get out everything we've got in bundles. So, made in China. Everything I've got I think was made in China. So, star clips. Okay, just a plain boring greeny one. Still nice for school. A foot. I can use that for ecological studies. Another one, green. This is like a burgundy one with like white bits on. A metallic pink one. pale blue one, purple one, that isn't metallic, it's just plain, a metallic green one, so basically I'll show you my handball. Okay, a musical note, this is like a treble clef, I love it. I think you clip it there, yeah, it's just amazing. A green heart, I don't even know what I got, just a bit random, I picked all this. Quite good at picking it random. Another purple one, a red star, I wish I got a yellow star, a metallic purple, a greeny one of the burgundy ones, another lime green one, a red foot, and a green star. Okay, in the next section I got two, they're like binder clips, I think. So it's got like, oh, it's got paper slip inside. Black paper, right, so I can't see it under the got paper clips. That's quite boring, but hey. So it's got like a really nice pattern. It's like little, I don't know, it's like a little monastery sign or something like that. That's good. Oh, I didn't show him, he opened it. He opened all of them, I think. Yeah, you open it so it's together and then you open it like that. And then you shove papers in it. Kind of cool. I got another one. So it's like different. Okay. Opens the same way. Okay. Then I got this like bulldog clip. I love like the flower. I love like the flowery detail on it. Okay. And you open it like that. It's like a little crocodile. I've got some more paper clips in here. I showed you. Just a blue one. Yeah. Or another binder thing, but the same style as my bulldog clip. So this one I'm going to put like really precious papers in because I really like this one. And then in here, a white star, a green star and a blue star, a yellow paper clip, a white heart, a yellow heart, a metallic pink paper clip again. So I'm kind of rushing because this video is around 8 minutes 17 seconds. A blue heart, and attached. Okay, a metallic blue paper clip, you can't see that because of my jumper, and metallic purple one again, and yes, the yellow star. Okay, so that's all I got today in my little haul. Oh yeah, and I got a memory foam pillow. I'm not going to show you because it's not on my bed, it's like ages away. So this is a little one, I love it. Better than the ones in the shops. Okay, so I'm going to have to edit this down because this video is like 20 minutes already. Okay. So, oh yeah, this is what they do in Ironworker. They do like little things. I think you can see it. Yeah. Okay then, so enjoy the rest of your day everyone, and I'll see you later. Okay. Bye.